stories.
Let's go!
Which book do you want to read first? Pirates! A long time ago, pirates sailed on the ocean. The pirates were always looking for buried treasure.
What if we were pirates? Let's paint our pirate ship. You can choose the colors.
We have to be careful sailing our pirate ship. What do you want to see in the ocean? Emily Elizabeth.
The story said the pirates were looking for treasure. What do you want to find in the treasure chest? Gold. Time to set sail.
Ahoy, mateys!
Land ho! Treasure ahead! Yo ho ho! That's a lot of treasure!
The end.